So in this one, we'll be doing summation of list of numbers using divide and conquer. In the previous video, we saw how to perform or how to model a sequential summation using recursive implementation. It was a classical case of n-1 recursion. In this one, we'll put our focus more towards the divide and conquer, and instead of doing it in n-1, we'll do it by, so we will be dividing it into n by 2. It will be a very classical tree like recursion implementation where every time we see a list of n values, we will split it into two nearly equal halves, and then we'll independently try to find sum of all numbers within it. And the the merging part is very simple. The summation of main list would be equal to summation of two of its child list, right? So if we take the same array example like 1 4 2 3 1 6 7 1, we split it into two equal halves every time. So 1 4 2 3 1 6 7 1 gets split into two half, 1 4 2 3 and 1 6 7 1. 1 4 2 3 gets split into 1 4 and 1 4 list splits into 1 and 4. Now once we reach the base condition of having one element, the summation of list of having one element is equal to that element itself. So when we trace back, once we end up recursion and our recursion starts returning, what we'll be doing is we'll be summing the two child to get the sum of that node. So the summation of all the elements of a list present at a certain node is equal to summation of all the elements present at its children. And this is a very simple looking recurrence relation where sum of LL is equal to sum of first half plus sum of second half. The sum is doing nothing but the recursion within the first half and recursion within the second half. The base condition still remains the same, where we'll do len of LL equal to 1. So if my list has just one element, return that certain element. And this way we will be eventually computing the summation of all the elements of the list. See its implementation. So what here I have a typical looking my list 1 4 2 3 1 6 7 1. We know that answer to this summation is 25, and we'll be implementing this sum list using divide and conquer. So the idea is simple. We define sum list that takes in numbers, which is list of integers. It returns integer, and internally it would call our helper function called sum, and which would take in numbers. We would then define our helper function sum that takes in numbers, which is a list of integers. It also returns an int, and what it would do is, what we have to do is we have to split the split the list in half. So what we do is we find the total number of elements in the list, and we recursively call summation on the first half, which is from 0 to count by 2. So the first half of the list, so all the elements from 0 to the middle of the list, plus summation of my second half, which is now anything starts from count by 2 going up till the last element. So this is how we code we code this particular logic. But what we also have to take care of, we have to take care of base condition. Base condition is simple. If my list has one element, then I return that very element. I return numbers of 0. Right. Really very straight looking function, and hopefully this runs in short. Let me do this. Python. We know that answer to this is 25. Let's keep it. Yeah, it did spit out 25. So if we take in any example over here, let me take a simple one. 1 2 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. We should get 6. Yeah, we indeed got 6. Right. So this is how we can model a summation of n numbers of present in a list using divide and conquer. Right. This series is mostly aimed towards, so we are actually trying to building up to a very interesting set of problems that can be solved using recursion, more like building a game like Minesweeper, chess, building some AI. So just trying to clear off our fundamentals of recursion and see how we can model things out. So if you are following along, So if you are actually following along, I would highly recommend you to code recursion and get a few things cleared up, because road is really interesting in the future. So yeah, that is it for this one. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are thrilled about finding various application of recursion in the world of gaming, AI, and some really cool things and that I'm trying to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, Satan.